Dímelo cantando. How you doing today? Doing great. You sound great. You're here with Davy Llama and Gali Llama.
How are you guys?
And today we have this beautiful Blizzard baseball mystery pack. It was $8 plus shipping and handling, 18 cards, and one of them will be a hit.
Let's see which one.
There we go. Blizzard baseball mystery pack. 8 stars inserts, 8 rookies, 1 serial number card, and 1 auto or relic. All right, starting off with Bueller, Bauer, Minnesota Twins, team card. Francisco Lindor, nice.
Very nice.
We got Frank Robinson, Talent Pipeline,
Very
Seth
nice
Beer,
cards.
Forrest Whitney, and Jordan Alvarez.
Very nice cards.
Albert Pujols.
Nice.
Oh, Cunha Jr.
Nice.
We got Alex Bregman. Am I supposed to turn these around? No. Oh, there goes the auto. Chris Stratton.
Nice.
Clint Frazier rookie card. AJ Puck. Carlos Rodon. Julio Urias. Anderson Espinosa first Bowman. Corey Seager rookie card. Hey, look at that. Eloy Jimenez. And Jordan Alvarez.
Yay.
Not bad.
No.
Pretty good selection of cards there. What do you guys think? Was it worth it? I'll give it a 7.
It was nice.
All right, guys. Drop a comment. Catch you later.
Take
Bye.
care.